What is the easiest way to stay healthy with the law of attraction? Staying healthy with the law of attraction involves cultivating a positive mindset and focusing on wellness rather than illness. Start each day by expressing gratitude for your health and well being. Focus on the aspects of your health that are functioning well, no matter how small they may seem. Incorporate positive affirmations related to health into your daily routine. Repeat statements such as, I am healthy and vibrant, every cell in my body radiates health, or I attract wellness into my life. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself in perfect health. Imagine your body functioning at its best, free from illness or discomfort. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's uplifting music, inspiring books, or supportive friends and family members. Minimize exposure to negativity, whether it's in the form of news, social media, or negative people. Pay attention to the foods you eat and choose nourishing options that support your health and well being. Stay hydrated, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, and limit processed foods and sugary treats. Engage in physical activity that you enjoy, whether it's walking, dancing, yoga, or another form of exercise. Movement not only supports physical health, but also boosts mood and energy levels. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.